guys, for today's video, we are now going to discuss about Python compound data types. So for short introduction, there are 5 Python data types, which are numbers, none, sequence, sets, and mapping. Under the numbers, there is integer, which is the whole number. Next is float, which is the number with a decimal point. Next is complex number, a number with a real and imaginary component. Let's now proceed to our next data types, which is sequence. Under the sequence, there are string, tuples, and lists. We are going to focus to the list because this is the data type that I am going to use to my Python project. In here, I use list to create a board. In creating a list, you just need to place an element inside a square bracket and separate it by a comma. It can have any number of items and it may be integer, float, string, and etc. But in here, I only use integer because it will serve as a guide number to my board. And when I try to run it, you will notice that there's already a number to the board. I also use list to check the meal. Each player will try to form a meal which is 3 of their pieces in a row connected by the line. To form a meal, the pieces can be placed either horizontally or vertically, but not at the 90-degree angle, and they must be connected by the line. In here, I also use integers because those numbers are possible combination that may be or may create a meal. The reason why I use list to my Python project because list is one of the most frequently used and very versatile data types used in Python. In this video, it will not discuss how it will check a meal, but if you want to know how to check a meal and learn more about this kind of Python project, make sure that you subscribe in this YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated if we upload new videos. Thanks for watching!